Hello family, and welcome back to our channel. This is Beverly Black, and today we're going to learn how to make a lemon cream cheese dump cake. Stay tuned so you can learn how to make it. Very easy. Okay, what you would need to make this dump cake is 1 box of cake mix. You can use vanilla or the yellow cake mix. Today I'm using the vanilla. You will need 2 cans of lemon pie filling. I have the 2 cans. They are 21 ounces. A stick of softened butter. 1/8 ounce of Philadelphia cream cheese. And that is it. That is all that you will need. I have, you will use a 9x13 dish. I've already sprayed it and it's ready to go. My oven is preheated at 350 degrees, and you will bake it maybe 30 to 45 minutes. Depends on your oven and how it goes about cooking. Okay, the first thing we'll need to do, and this is a great cake for Easter Sunday or any holiday or any occasion, potluck, or when you've been working and you coming in and you want to throw something together fast, this will do it. So we're going to put the 2 cans of the lemon pie filling into the dish. Just smooth it as you go. And how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. Everything's going fine. People are getting their shots. That's good. This is the 2nd can. Smooth it all over. Now you can use lemon cake mix, but that lemon, if you want strong lemon taste, the lemon cake mix and the lemon pie filling will be a little strong and overpowering. Some people like that. I don't like that. So that's why I use vanilla or the yellow cake mix. So this is all of the pie filling. Next we will put the cream cheese. You can get it already whipped, or you can use it, get the little cake like this. All you do is cut up little pieces and put it across the pie filling. We'll start with that. And put it all the way across it. And when this is done, it is good hot. Get you some vanilla ice cream. You are good to go. We just about got it. I'm making a mess with my hands, but that's all right. And one thing about these dump cakes, you can use any kind of pie filling you want. Now lemon and blueberry, oh, it's so good together. You can use 1 can of lemon pie filling and a can of blueberry pie filling. That makes a great one. Next we're going to put the cake mix. You can use any cake mix. You don't have to use Betty Crocker. You can use any kind. Get a new knife. we're just going to sprinkle the cake mix across it. So simple, so easy, and yet so good. Okay, that's the whole box of cake mix, all on it. You can also add some nuts if you want to, some pecans or walnuts or any kind of nuts that you may want to. Now we're going to put the butter on it, and I always use unsalted butter. Some people melt the butter and they mix it together in with the cake mix, and then it'll have like a more crumbly texture. You can use it like that also. But right now I'm just doing the little squares. And then you just put it in the oven and bake it. We're just about there. You can use extra butter if you need a little bit more. Depends on how much you like. Some people just saturate it with butter. I think I'm going to use one more. A half a stick rather. So I have used a stick and a half of butter. So here is the dump cake. I am getting ready to put it in the oven on 350 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. And I'll be back with the cake when it's done. This is the lemon cream cheese dump cake fresh out of the oven. It is still piping hot, but it looks good and smells good. Get a little corner right here so you can see how it looks. See it? See the ooziness and the cream cheese in it? There is the cream cheese. This is the lemon cream cheese dump cake. Put some ice cream on top of it and it will be good. Getting ready to dump the whole thing in the floor. There it is. You all have a blessed and prosperous day.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing